This weather, the humidity, makes you sweat profusely. Not just that, outdoor shooting, excessive hair products, results in hair fall. Now to prevent this hair fall, I was in the market trying to look for a formula that's refreshing yet natural. And to my luck, I happened to find Manestream, which is 100% Ayurvedic, sulfate and paraben free. This Fenugrow hair treatment kit contains a hair treatment oil, shampoo and a conditioner. The Fenugrow hair fall control oil combines the goodness of Fenugreek and onion to strengthen your hair and reduce hair breakage. The shampoo and conditioner are mild for effective cleansing and conditioning. Manestream Hair Care Solutions has formulated products with our home ingredient methi dana, which we all know has multiple benefits for our hair. So why don't you try? Let the magic of Manestream methi dana work on your hair.